How to delete your Shopee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Shopee account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser and head over to Shopee. So I'll just search for Shopee and then head over to the Shopee website. After you're on the Shopee website, choose your region. After you choose your region, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you will notice this option on the top right corner that says your username and my account. Head over to my account. And after you're on your account's edit page, what you'll need to do is you will need to search for an option called privacy settings. It's usually on my account and it's under somewhere here, and you will see privacy settings. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you will see request account deletion. Tap on delete, and as you can see right here, it will give you some important notice, such as by clicking on proceed, your account deletion is irreversible. Any Shopee coins in your account will be forfeited, and so on. So after you've read this and understood all of these, tap on proceed if you still want to delete your account. Now tap on proceed again and choose your region for your deletion. So after you choose your region, type in your email address here, tap on I agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on submit. After you do that, tap on confirm again, and your request has been sent and your account has been successfully deleted. Now you'll get prompted back to the login page, and that is how you do it. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.